Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm excited to share with you my hands-on experience with Mapology building houses. So let's see if these tiny houses are as fun to build as they look. Inside we have got 13 unique packages, each containing a different house to build, and each comes with high-level instructions to help us build this tiny house perfectly. Now let's get started with the assembly process. I have chosen the peat house for our demo today. The first step is to remove all the pieces from the individual seat, which is always the most satisfying part. Next, we'll arrange all the pieces by size as per instructions. Now connect them with this tiny thingy. I might have chosen the easiest build, but still it's a great start. And finally, a ladder to complete the build. Wow, that was easy. The instructions were precise and the pieces fit together perfectly. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
老狗在看啥？有个那个，也有个狗。